taking a video of this intense ass shit, nigga.
I'm scared.
Fuck yeah, look at that. Can't see shit.
I think I can see
This
more
is
of
going
it.
on YouTube.
I
Me
know.
too.
I can see more as well.
Look at this shit. This is fucking crazy. I can't see anything.
I can see the green.
I can see the green lights, but nothing else.
What in the world?
This is so awesome.
I like how he's having a blast.
Oh, fuck yeah.
I'm scared.
Oh my god. It's like my favorite thing ever right now. Except I can't
She
see.
said Spencer Road's pretty bad. Yeah, I'm sure it is. It's like going through
Oh, I
freaking
was off the
hell.
road.
It's like, yeah.
I was almost, I would have been over it if we had been there.